Number 10, Guess. Shares are jumping nearly 13% here after the retailer reported second quarter profit and revenue that beats Wall Street estimates. Guess also boosted its adjusted earnings forecast for the year.
And AMC Network's up about 3.5% today. The company behind hit shows like Mad Men and Breaking Bad getting an upgrade to buy from neutral at B. Riley with a 12-month price target of $76. AMC, by the way, reported better than estimated second quarter earnings. That happened earlier this month.
Number 8, Krispy Kreme is up about 4% ahead of its second quarter earnings report. That's due after the bell. Investors have caught on to Krispy Kreme's growth story. Shares this year have jumped 145%. Keep it here for those results coming up on Street Smart.
Okay, number 7 is Signet Jewelers, down 4% after the company reported second quarter revenue that fell short of estimates and a weak outlook for the third quarter. Signet's quarterly results arrive after rival Zale topped estimates and Tiffany posted a 16% profit jump.
16%, that is notable. Meanwhile, Salesforce.com up about 1% today as the company prepares to release its own second quarter results. Analysts surveyed by Bloomberg are looking for a profit of 7 cents a share on revenues of $939 million. Stay tuned. Those numbers are moments away.
Number 5, SeaWorld. Those shares are just up a fraction after they fell the most since the stock began trading back in April. The company is slashing ticket prices amid a drop in attendance. During the second quarter, attendance fell 9%, mainly because of higher prices instituted earlier this year and because of bad weather.
So they're slumping. The prices are getting slashed.
Yeah.
But there's been, all this concern about this documentary that came out that showcased
how they
the
treat
treatment
orcas.
of
the killer whales that we're looking at right now.
And it's caused perhaps some people to pull back.
Well, I mean, you don't have to look too far elsewhere to find signs that the consumer is hurting right and cutting back on discretionary spending. So maybe if you add sort of the consciousness effect as well, it's not a good combo.
Double whammy.
Yeah.
Okay, number 4 is RBC. It's up about 1% right now as it joins Canada's other lenders in topping analyst estimates for third quarter earnings. RBC saw record profits in domestic consumer lending and wealth management during the quarter. The bank also plans to boost its quarterly dividend by 6%.
All right, Campbell Soup down 3% after posting a loss in its fourth quarter. Guys, you really shouldn't be too surprised by this. It's soup. It's hot. Right now, it's 90 degrees. Hello. Okay, they also had
they do make other stuff.
Yeah, but come on.
A lot of
soup company. I mean, come on. All right, there's also, by the way, a charge related to the sale of a European business. We should note that Campbell's adjusted earnings topped the estimates. The revenue missed.
All right, number 2 is Nasdaq OMX. The stock is up just about 0.75%. It gave more details about the 3-hour trading halt that happened last week. Nasdaq says a flood of data received from NYSE Arca exposed a software flaw in its conduit for disseminating prices. So that was the problem here. Software glitch. It was overwhelmed. Its system, the NYSE, by the way, has declined to comment on Nasdaq's reasoning here.
All right, we're moving on to our number 1 stock of the day, and it's Ford. Ford shares up about 3%. For the first time, Ford is making its Fusion sedan in the United States. The sedans began rolling off the assembly line today in Flat Rock, Michigan. Ford's Fusion has become a challenger to Toyota's Camry as the nation's top-selling car.